Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. As you can see, we have a new handbag this Friday, and is a lot of autumn vibes that is going on recently in my channel, as you can see from the recent tutorials that I did. This is a very simple and very easy stitch that I will show you later on the tutorial, and I just made with t-shirt yarn. It can be built up very fast. This bag you can do in like 2 hours of crocheting or so. And also I used leather handles, are the same leather handles that I used for a previous handbag. I will link the tutorial up here of that new handbag that I did a couple of weeks ago. And then I used an oval base. I did a tutorial for that too on last week, but I will link it again up here if you want to check the oval base tutorial and then continue the rest of the bag. As you can see, this is a very autumn bag, but if you change the combination of the colors, I think you can use it for other seasons as well, and is a simple bag, all season bag. Also, I used t-shirt yarn for all the materials. I will link in the description box all the links. Okay, I really hope you like this tutorial and give it a thumbs up on your way out. Subscribe if you are new and you like the content of my channel. Follow me in my other social media platforms, Instagram, and also you can follow me on Facebook. And I hope you really like this tutorial, and without further ado, let's just get into this tutorial. Okay, so here we are. Once I finish the base, which you can first check the tutorial on how to do this base with my counting step by step. I will link it up here. So if you want to do the same bag with the same oval base and the same counting, you can just go and check that tutorial, which I show step by step how I do this oval base, and then you can come back here and continue the rest of the bag. Okay, so once I'm done, I have ended up the 5th round with 64 stitches. So at the end I will have 64 stitches. So I will just take out all the markers because I don't need them anymore. Okay, so once I finish the base, I will start to do one round with slip stitch from the inside. Okay, so here I finished the last stitch of the 5th round, and I will insert the hook from the back in the front of the next stitch, like this, and then on the side. And yeah, I will yarn under and I will pull through the loop, and I will do a slip stitch, like this. So this is actually the first slip stitch. I will put a marker here so you can visualize. Okay, so this is my first stitch for the upper part. I'm not going to do any more increases, so I will just work slip stitch all around all the stitches. So I will have 64 slip stitches, right? So in here in the next stitch I will insert the hook from the back to the front, and then to the side of the stitch, yarn under and pull through and slip stitch. So this is my second slip stitch. Do the same thing again from the back. Here you can see the next stitch, from the back to the front, and then to the side of the stitch and slip stitch. Okay, do this all around. This is how it is going to look like from this side, from the outside, and this is from the inside. Okay, these are the stitches that we are going to work the side. Keep working until you go all around, until you arrive at the marker. Okay, so I went all around and I finished up the last slip stitch over here. I hope you can see that. Well, the light today, the lightning is not that great. So I will do the last one. And then here where I have the marker, I will do one chain. And here where I have the marker now, I will start to work upwards. I will start to work these stitches. You can see here, this is the back side, which will be from the out down, and these are the stitches of the slip stitch that we did here. I will just insert the hook in here where I have all the stitches of the slip stitch. I hope you can see this right here. Okay, so I will work. I don't know exactly the name of this stitch, but it's a very simple stitch. It's like a single crochet but twisted. So I will just insert the hook like this, and I will grab the yarn like this, pull it up, and then like a normal single crochet. So a normal single crochet, you just insert yarn under like this and pull up. But this twisted single crochet is insert the hook, yarn over like this, pull through, yarn under and pull through the two loops, and the stitch is going to be twisted. It's not like a normal single crochet. So I will just work like this all the stitches one by one, which are 64 stitches in total. This is how it will look like. And because we don't have any more increases, then we are going up now. Okay, here the last stitch. I will just do the last stitch, but I will close this too by inserting the hook at the chain stitch that we did, and then pull through, same as I did with the base here. Okay, and then I will just do the same thing, one chain, and then keep crocheting the twisted single crochet, one on each stitch, one twisted single crochet, until you go up the length that you want to. So it will look like this. Okay, so now I'm going up. As you can see, also the sides are going up. So I will just crochet this all around the height that you want to. Okay, so here we are. I crocheted to a certain height with dark blue, greenish, whatever, and the full yarn was finished, and then I started a second one, and I also wanted to do it with two colors, so here we are. Okay, so this is how it will look like, and I'm perfectly fine with these two colors. I love them. They are very autumny colors. So once I arrived at the end, I just have to hide the end. As you see here at the last one, I did the last stitch, and here I will just pull and cut. Then I will just have to hide this. You can do this with a needle, tapestry needle, with a hook. In my case, I can do this with a hook as well, and just hide. Okay, so this is the bag with the oval base that I was looking for to do with this very simple stitch. The next thing, I'm going to put some handles here, some leather handles, which I got them on Amazon. I used them for another project as well, an autumn bag, a round autumn bag. I will put the link up here of that kind of bag that I did previously. If you are interested, you can check that bag out with the same handles. I will drop the link in the description box where I bought the handles. Okay, so here we are. These are the handles. I will put them like this. So one here, it's hard. like this, and then I will just sew them. I will just sew them with a tapestry needle like this that can go through the holes, and also I will use this kind of color which is very similar to this one. I want a little bit of contrast here on the holes. Okay, so let's just sew the handles and see how is the result. Okay, this is how it will look like, and then I will sew the other one and in here, and also the other handle on the other side. Okay, so let me sew this one and the other one, and I will show you how it all looks like at the end. And here we are. This is how it looks like once I finish both sides. Okay, I really hope you like this tutorial. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, everybody. And don't forget to follow me on my other social media platforms. I hope you enjoyed this one, and I will see you on my next one. Cheers!